What's the meaning of cutaway? Cutaway. Cutaway.
Cutaway. Cutaway. Cutaway refers to a camera shot in which the action is interrupted by a brief interruption to another shot, often of something related to the scene. The purpose is to provide additional information about the context, setting, or characters. The result is a distinctive visual style that can add depth and complexity to a scene while allowing the viewer to gain a greater understanding of the circumstances. Cutaways are commonly used in documentary filmmaking, news broadcasts, and television dramas to provide viewers with a better sense of what is happening and why.